Yes, sir. I mean, just absolutely dogging the mom rig, boys. Hold on.
There you go.
Yo, homie's tripping for going back there. Yeah. He can't see nothing coming back either.
Oh yeah.
Don't go in the creek, dude. I swear to God.
I'm not. That's why I got my foot on the brake a little bit.
No, pull the e-brake and then stop it. It drags the ass in.
Bro, it sounds like it stalls every time you go to the gas.
It does.
So
Or up in here somewhere.
Yeah, this is where the angle's at. I'll get up in here.
Like
right
up
there.
in those weeds, yeah. I'm gonna come flex it.
Watch out, yo. We swung it though.
Definitely did. Just fucking send it.
Oh my God, get out of here before we get stuck. Did you hear all that water?
No.
That was all water. We were just looking at it.
Oh, it is water. That's nice. You could be a bush hog. Yeah, you hit it that time. Yeah. She barely cleared that shit.
She's mid.
Oh my God. Kiss the ground.
And then this one.
That mirror's folded.
Oh shit.
Oh, with one hand in a cast, dude, by the way.
Yeah, for real. Oh my God, don't hit their face. That would be fucking bad.
Just a little bit more. Alright, there you go.
Yes.
That's the one.
Hold on, stop. Right there. Right there. Stop, stop.
Yeah, right there, right there.
You're good. Stop right there. Park it.
Get in this car and jump down. Open the car up and jump it down.
What, like this?
Yeah, and jump inside there.
Do it. Yeah. Yeah. It's rolling. It's rolling. Oh. Fuck yeah. She fucking.
Yeah, when you were throwing it up there, it definitely did. It's like a fucking ride at the playground.
Yeah, ay, gotta pay attention when you moving with that bag. Mama asked me why I'm never sitting on my ass. I was skipping class, selling weed, selling grass. You was getting ass laid